everyone, welcome to today's tutorial, and in this video I will be talking about artboards. So as you all must be familiar, an artboard is basically our white document where we make all our illustrations, right? So just in case if I want to resize my artboard, I can easily do that by clicking on this icon right here. And once I do that, my current artboard gets selected, and now I can make it smaller by dragging the corners like that. And if I zoom out a little, I can also make it bigger if I like, or make it smaller if I like, right? So we can make it bigger like this. And if I zoom out some more, we can even make more artboards like this in different sizes like that. And if I click on this artboard icon again, we can customize it even further, and we can also give it a certain size if I like. We can choose A4 and probably give a name if you want, and choose the orientation, like we'll stick to portrait, and click OK. There you go. This portrait A4 size artboard is made. So like that. And that's it. So if you choose a current artboard, it gets highlighted like this. The borders become darker, and as you can see with the rest of the three artboards, the highlight isn't there. That means it's not selected, and you are currently working on this artboard right now. So each artboard is different, and the artworks you make on each artboard will be different. Hence the layers will also differ from artboard to artboard. And of course, once you've made all your illustrations on your different sizes of artboard, you can also save it by going to File and clicking on Save As. So by default, our documents will be saved in an Adobe Illustrator format, and I highly recommend that we save our files in this type, so that in case if I have to make any further changes, I can easily do that by accessing my Adobe Illustrator file and clicking on Save. And that's it. So now that we have come to the end of this tutorial, I hope you found this video to be useful. And with a little practice, you will also soon become more familiar with the artboard tool. So thank you for watching and keep practicing.